welcome to day 36 of the 60 days challenge. So I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. Today I'm going to share what are the common mistakes that people do for squats. So nobody realized there. So what are the things that it may affect? Who knows? Let's check it out. Oh, before that, be sure to hit the like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share for these 60 days and after these 60 days. And without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so what are the common mistakes? So here, whenever people squat, sometimes they tend to squat and then their butt arching out like this. Down and then go. So this one, what happened is that you will injure your lower back very much. Especially you see those who are taking weights, very much pressure on the lower back. So I would not always recommend using those weights, okay? Unless the weight is not so heavy, maybe partially from your weight, maybe 10 to 20%. If too high, the chances of it injuring your lower back is very, very high, okay? So that will be one, okay? Two is that when they bend, they like to bend like sometimes outwards. No. So sometimes when you bend outwards like this, no good. Okay? And then the third thing is that whenever you do squats, some people like this come up. No, make sure don't come up like this. When you bend, make sure until where? Some people maybe can bend like this. Some people cannot, maybe until here. Then make sure the feet is touching fully on the ground. Okay? And also that when you bend, make sure when you bend, you try not your toes go over your knee. Don't go over your toes, oh my god. So your knee, don't go over your toes too much, okay? When you go too much, you may put a lot of strain on your ankle and maybe sometimes your knee as well, okay? So when you bend, the ideally is possible, not so much, here is still okay. Too front, no good, okay? See your hips is also very out one. So what you can do is make sure the hips all straight and then down. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something and aware of something that most people do and injured their knee, injured their back, injured their ankle, all because of these small little things. So today I'm sharing on what are the common mistakes. Tomorrow I will share on how beginners can start doing squats. Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. Who knows, one day it will help you. Just follow it, okay? I know it will help you. Okay, so anyways, see you guys soon. Bye bye.